I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit faze me.
What up? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a I'm here back with another review. This time I bought something on Amazon. Pretty much what I got going on is I'm trying to grow out the beard situation. As you see, I got some areas right here that's struggling, right? You know what I'm saying? A couple of struggle areas. So been looking up, trying to figure out what to do, and I've been my research has brought me to buy a beard kit or something to help out with that, right? So on Amazon for the low, I got the Fullight Tech beard growth kit, right? So we're gonna check this product out. We'll go into it and kind of see what all entails in it. It's supposed to have about 10 pieces to it, which is good, and we'll break down the pieces and talk about how they all work together, and maybe we'll get to see some results in there. So we're just gonna go put it on the table. Don't talk mess about my table. I know it's dirty, but whatever. Let's see what we got in here. Fullight Tech. Boom. All right, off the top we got a nice beard brush. That's gonna be nice. Beard balm. Okay. Some scissors so you can do some trimming. That's 3 items. A beard comb, a little thin and then the thick version. Okay. Go to that last. Beard growth oil. So we got the oil. Set that to the side. Beard wash. I guess you got to clean it up. Keep it clean. And this is what I'm most excited about. This little prickly thing right here. It's supposed to rub around like the areas that you want your hair growth to be at. It stimulates hair growth, for a lack of a better way of saying it. But I'm more interested into this and see how that's going to work. And then with all of that comes a little bag to keep it in. What's this? This is some instructions. Let's see what we got. Yeah. So beard roller, beard wash, beard growth oil, beard balm, beard comb, beard brush, and beard scissors, and then some directions for how to do all of that. And that's everything that's in the box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, I guess. Thought it was supposed to be 10, 8 items. That should be good enough, man. I'm really excited to use this stuff and see how it all works out. So if you've used this product before or something like this, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. And after I've used it for a while, I'll come back and see what we got. So here we are, 3 months later. Hoping the light is not too bright and you can see. But we definitely have some growth. Is it, you know what I'm saying? I don't got the Rick Ross beard that I saw in my future. But it'll get there. You just got to keep going at it. And like I said, the product works overall. Almost 3 months later, and you can see where it's starting to fill in at. And put in the comments if you got any suggestions for any other products, because I'm running low. Almost out. Is there anything else out there on the market that I should check in on? And yeah, that's our results.
Home run, bad bye. We wanna win, we ain't trying to lose. You must humble yourself, you need